Hi kids! Today we are going to learn a very easy letter. See, this is letter M. Yes, this is capital M and this is small m. Today we are going to learn how to write letter M, the capital M and the small m, and we are going to learn some words which are starting from letter M, and we will do the coloring in the pictures also. Before starting, we are going to learn some colors. This is brown color. This is green color. This is yellow color. This is blue color. This is light purple color. This is pink color. And this is light brown color. Yay! So, let's get started. Here is a dot. We just go down, 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 down. Stop on third line. One straight line. Now here is you can make a one slanting line till third line. Stop here. Pick the pencil up. Now go there back on first line and stop here. Very nice. Now here you can go just down, down, down and stop here. See, this is letter M. This is capital M. Now write small m. Start from the second line. Just go down, down, down and stop here. Pick the pencil up. Start from here. Make a little curve and just go down. Stop here on third line. Pick the pencil up again. Start from here. Make a little curve. Touch the second line and stop on third line. See? Small m, capital M, small m, capital M, small m. Now write again here. Just go down. One straight line. One slanting line. And other slanting line. And just go down. Make a one straight line again. Capital M. Small m, go down. Stop on third line. Make a little curve, go down. One more. Stop here. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Now let's start it over here. Start with blue color. Just go down, down, down. Stop here. One slanting line and other slanting line and just go down, down, stop here. Capital M. Here just go down, 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 stop here. Pick the pencil up, make a little curve, go down, stop here. Pick the pencil up, now make one more little curve. Stop here. See? Very easy letter. Capital M and small m. So now we are going to write the words over here and we are going to color in the pictures. Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is moon. In moon we are going to use this blue color. See, moon has done. So now we are going to write over here. Read with me. M O O N moon. Moon. And the sound of M is M. M-O-O-N moon. See the next animal. Can you guess it? Yes, this is monkey. In monkey, we are using brown color. Read with me. M O N K E Y monkey. M O N K E Y monkey. Very good. See the next picture. Yes, this is mug. In mug, we are using light purple color. Now read with me. M U G mug. M U G mug. Very nice. Now see the next picture. Yes, the next picture is mango. Mango. In mango, we are using yellow color. Read with me. M A N G O mango. M A N G O mango. Very nice. Now see the next picture. Yes, this is milk. This is a box of milk pack. In milk, we are using pink color. Very nice. Now, read with me. M I L K milk. M I L K milk. Very good. You learned so many words today. So let's repeat it again. Today we have written how to write letter M, the capital M and the small m. And we learned so many words which are starting from letter M, and we do the coloring also. So let's repeat it again. M-O-O-N moon. Read with me. M-O-O-N double O N, moon. MONKEY, monkey. MONKEY, monkey. MUG, mug. MUG, mug. MANGO, mango. MANGO, mango. MILK, milk. MILK, milk. Very nice. You learned so many words which are starting from letter M, and the sound is very good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.